In front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into settings and hit display. Then tap on this switcher next to automatic brightness to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into tap menu and click on this icon on the left of brightness slider. If it's blue, that means that adaptive brightness is enabled. To disable it, hit the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!